सो गाइस, आज मैं देखने जा रहा हूँ तन्वी द ग्रेट। और तन्वी एक ऑटिस्टिक एडल्ट की स्टोरी है। और ऑटिस्टिक एडल्ट तो मैं भी हूँ, मैं भी ग्रेट हूँ, तन्वी भी ग्रेट है। बाय। थिंक दैट वो चीज़ भी भूल गया था कि आपको ये भी समझ आएगी कि ऑटिस्टिक लोग कैसे सोचते हैं ये अनप्रेसिडेंटेड सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के लिए। थैंक यू, बाय।
Hey guys, super excited. We are here to see Tanvi the Great. We are rushing in way late and yeah, once I've seen this, then I'll share my views. Bye.
Hello everybody, Rajni here. So today I want to talk about the movie Tanvi the Great. This movie is basically on an autistic young adult, and that is why I was so much curious to watch this movie and excited also. And needless to say, it has not disappointed me. So many things that they have shown in the movie resonate at so many levels. The grandfather simply says, when the mother says, I have to go for 9 months to the US for some research work, and the grandfather says, I cannot take care of her. And it resonated so deeply that this is what happens in our society. The family members simply think that it is the responsibility of the mother to take care of this one, because this one is so unfathomable, if I may say so. Matlab, I cannot reach out to this one. I don't understand. I don't know what kind of, this is the general trend that happens in families, where families don't understand that this is as much a human, has as many emotions. It's the same thing, but they begin to feel that no, mother can handle because she's been handling for such a long time. I cannot do it. That is something that we have to come to terms with, people. So anybody watching this video, please make sure that you are supporting the mother, and more than supporting the mother, interacting with the child or the adult with autism, because they are just as much human, and they understand everything. Another very powerful thing was, in the entire of the movie they showed that she doesn't have emotions, she doesn't have feelings. Not they have showed, that is what they have portrayed that the parents are thinking, that the girl doesn't have. But look at how strong feelings she has, that she wants to go up Siachen Glacier and go and salute the flag, just because her father wanted to do it and he died before doing it. And she wanted to complete that. That was the depth of emotion. Now, many will say, oh, this is just fiction. No. I have a son on the autism spectrum, 22 years old, and I know the kind of emotion and sometimes the kind of things he says. I had not imagined back then, when he was a baby, not looking at people, looking here and there, and not even saying hello. But today, the way he interacts, it's just another thing. So, point number 2, please trust that your children have enough emotion, and over a period of time, if you teach them how to express, they will. Another thing that touched my heart was when she ties her shoelaces in the end. And more than tying her shoelaces, she says Mummy doesn't know everything, because her mother was more than certain that all of her life she will not learn how to tie shoelaces. And she says, look, and she does it. And that hit something so hard in me. I cried at that moment and I said, my entire life I have devoted to helping people understand. And this is what I'll continue to do, that autism is workable. And here is this scene which is showing that entire movie. She couldn't tie her shoelaces, she moved around with laces open. And here she is, and she can very comfortably tie her shoelaces. And she says, Mummy doesn't know everything. Which is so true. We don't know everything. Let us not put a cap or a ceiling on children with autism, that this is how far they will go, this is what they can do. It's a beautiful movie. It's an eye opener. It will touch you at various levels. I went to see first day, first show. First day, first show wasn't possible. I had a webinar. Second day, third show. Yeah. And I wasn't disappointed. It's a beautiful, heart-touching movie. I went with my family, and Jay went because he doesn't stay with us. He's in another city and he's working. So he went separately to see the movie. I would urge each one of you parents to go watch the movie, and please don't be resentful. All children with autism are not like this. Give them the benefit of doubt that as your kid grows up, they too can be like this, provided you learn the techniques and you do the right things that need to be done. Yeah? Give proper support to autism, and autistic people shine. That's my promise to you. So if you're somebody who wants to learn techniques, come on in and join us for the Autism Live that happens on Tuesdays, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Instagram, YouTube English, YouTube Hindi, and the Autism Masterclass that happens either Thursdays or Fridays, 7 to 9:30 p.m. That's a Zoom event. The links to all of these are given in the description box below. Also links to customized books, various workbooks, how you can teach children on the spectrum. Everything given in the description box below. And keep working with your children, keep believing in your kids, and I shall meet you next time.